Hey guys, today we're gonna try to get this chassis and bed and everything from the donor truck out and down into the yard alone with no steering and no brakes. So it ought to be fun. It's either gonna go really good or it's gonna go freaking horribly. Of course, my garage is at the top of a pretty steep hill. You can't really tell from the video, but it's well, to give you a reference, that's how close the frame is to the ground. So, with the OBS lever, we're gonna see what we can do. This ought to be fun. So we got two guests today. One's a shop dog, and the other one you'll see a little later. We're gonna work on pulling all this wiring off the motor and getting it separate, getting these coil packs off as an assembly and all the injector wires, and start getting everything off the motor itself, and then we'll start the tear down process, see what we're working with here. Yeah, so we'll get all the wiring off in this video and all the front accessories, and so stay tuned. Got my main mechanic here to help me out. What do you think? Well, I drug it up and Derek showed up. Derek's a lifesaver on this one. Screwing it with a screwdriver. So what I'm doing with the tape you're seeing is I'm marking all these wires as I'm pulling them off. Right here I got bell housing ground, got intake pressure, AC condenser. So we're just going to try to keep it as labeled as possible. Firewall ground right here. Oh, fuck yeah. We got everything off but this knock sensor and the harmonic balancer. Harmonic balancer beat the shit out of him.
Yeah, it did.
So the heads will be next, and getting that harmonic balancer off, and then getting the cam out.